Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see questions related to logarithms. So before we go to the questions, let us go through the rules of logarithms. Okay, so here we have some rules of logarithm. So the first rule, number one, that is log of AB, like a product, will be log of A plus log of B. That's number one. Then number two, we have quotient. So this will be log A minus log B. The third is power. Log of A raised to M is M log A. Then you have change of base. So that is log of A to the base B is A to the base C, log of B to the base C. Okay. The fundamental property is when you have log of A to the base B as C, it can be written as B to the power C as A. So this is the logarithmic form. This is the exponential form. Also, log A to the base B is valid only if A is greater than 0, B is not equal to 1, and B is greater than 0. Okay, the base needs to be positive. And also we have log of A to the same base gives us 1, and log of 1 to any base, we get the answer as 0. So these are some of the properties that we are going to use to solve the questions ahead. So this is the first one. You have log to the base 7, 1 upon 343. So we know that 343 is 7 cubed, and that is 1 upon. So we write this as 7 raised to minus 3. So that goes on the other side. So that is negative 3 is log 7 to the base 7. So negative 3 into 1, because log of A to the base A is 1. So the answer is minus 3. So what we have over here is 0.0625. So 0.0625 can be written as, here there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is 625, and that will be 10,000. So this will be 25 goes 25 times, and this will be 400 times. Okay, and 25 will go one time, and 25 will be how many times? So 400 divided by 25, 25 5 5 are 25, 5 8 so 25 ones are, and this will be 16. So this will be 2 raised to minus 4. Okay, so 0.625 can be written as 2 raised to minus 4. So when we have log 2, 0.0625 is 2 raised to minus 4. That is minus 4 log of 2 to the base 2. Minus 4 into 1, answer is minus 4. Let us go to the next question now. So that means what we need to do is we have to write 4 as 16 raised to a number, let's say x. And what is 16? 16 is 4 squared. So that is 4 raised to 2x. But you know that just 4 is 1. So that means 2x is 1 and x is half. So when we have log of 4 to the base 16, this will be written as, 4 can be written as 16 raised to half. So half log 16 to the base 16, and the answer is half. Half is the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question now. Right. So this is log to the base 9, 1 over 81. You know that 81 is 9 squared, and it is 1 over. So 9 raised to minus 2. And that gives you negative 2 as an answer. Okay. So what we are basically trying to do is, this is log of A to the base B. We will try to write A as B to some power. So that makes it easier to solve that. Okay, so here we have to find the value of x. So log x to the base 3 is negative 2. So imagine this to be negative 2 log 3 to the base 3. Okay, so this is going to be 1, and we get negative 2 equal to negative 2. So when will that happen? For this to happen, x should be 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, so log of 3 to the power minus 2 will be minus 2 log of 3 to the base 3. And that will give us the required answer. So basically x is 1 upon 9, okay? But how do we write this answer? So we learned converting logarithm to exponential form. So exponential form is 3, x is 3 raised to minus 2. So x is 1 upon 3 squared and x is 1 upon 9. So this is your solution. What have you done? You have converted log to exponential form. So let me give you one more example over here. So when you have log of 27 to the base 3, okay, or you can say log of 81 to the base 3 as 4. What does that mean? 3 raised to 4 is 81. So that is converting an exponential form to logarithm form or logarithmic form to exponential form, right? So if you apply the same logic over here now, so this is log of x to the base 8 is 2 by 3. So x is 8 raised to 2 by 3. So that is 8 cube root of 8 squared. That is 2 squared. X will be 4. Okay, move to the next question now. So this is log base 2 x minus 1. Okay, we can again convert the log to exponential. So x minus 1 is 2 raised to 3. X minus 1 is 8. So x is equal to 9. Move to the next question. Again, I expect you to pause the video, give it a try, and then play it again to continue to find the solution. So here we have log 25x to the base 5 as 3. So converting into exponential form, 5 cube is 25x. So this is 125 is 25x. X is 125 upon 25. X is also 5. Fine.